In this video, I'm going to show you how to make hand-cut noodles. Noodles are easy to make. The only equipment that you need is a rolling pin and a knife. The recipe is very simple. You need 2 eggs, 2 cups of wheat flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the ingredients and knead into a ball. If the dough is too tough, add water 1 tablespoon at a time until the dough is pliable. Wrap the dough in plastic and let it rest 15 minutes. Now we're ready to make the noodles. Start by spreading some flour on a cutting board and on the rolling pin. Roll out the dough until it is the thickness of a penny. You may need to add more flour to the surface to keep the dough from sticking to the rolling pin. When the dough has the desired thickness, fold it into multiple layers to get it ready for cutting. You can cut the dough into thick strips or thin strips depending on how broad you want the noodles. When you finish cutting the dough, unroll the noodles by lifting them and tossing them on the floured surface several times to keep them from sticking. You are now ready to cook the noodles. Drop them into boiling water for about 7 minutes. Drain them and enjoy them topped with your favorite sauce or stir fry.